Hi, welcome to AccuTrack. Today we are going to talk about installing AccuTrack 2020 into your desktop device. Let's begin. In the video today, we are going to talk about installing and opening AccuTrack for the first time and entering the activation code to start using the software. The activation code should have been sent to you by email. The first thing you must do is click on the AccuTrack 2020 installer button from the email that the AccuTrack support team sends you. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the following page. From here, you can click the arrow pointing down to download the file. The download should then begin at the bottom of the screen. Wait for the download to finish and click Show in Folder. After opening the file location, extract the zip file. Open the AccuTrack 2020 this file and double-click the AccuTrack 2020 setup.exe. From here, more info, run anyway. Then your computer will prompt you if you want to open the app with the unknown publisher, and just click yes. After this, you can read the license agreement and click I accept the agreement, then next. From here, this is where you set up the AccuTrack 2020 install folder. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, check the box. Click next. And here you install AccuTrack 2020. Wait for the install to finish. When finished, you can click to launch AccuTrack 2020 and click finish. From here, you will be asked if you have an activation code. Click yes. Then paste the activation code from the email you got and click OK. AccuTrack will then load up, click close, and you're all set. You have successfully installed AccuTrack 2020. For more videos on AccuTrack, or if you have any additional questions, please visit engineerica.com/AccuTrack. Thanks for watching.